Hello, my name is Ben Jones, and for my sustainability goal, I am going to be disposing of rubbish and some of the resources that people have left over at my house over the past few years. We basically will be changing lease at the end of the year, and I want to make sure that all of the rubbish is used in a good way and isn't just thrown out and put in a skip bin. We can find some sustainable options with the disposal of the rubbish, and also just setting up the house in the best way for the new tenants that could be living here. Some of these ways that I want to do this, following the Nexus regeneration, is wasting nothing with food waste. This is something I can do within the house with some of my housemates, just setting up some good ways to sort out food waste, and not only just food waste, also some of the resources that have been left around, which I'll show you when we go walk through in a minute. Clothing, slow fashion, something that we can start to implement in the house and for future people living here. Urban farming, we have a beautiful area where we can actually grow some produce and actually get the place looking alive, and this will also encourage next tenants to do so. Plastics, reducing our plastic waste. We have 6 bins at the moment, all full of just general rubbish. There's actually no bins and lids on the bin, which is making it quite difficult for the household to sort it out, and also setting up a compost. So my sustainability goal is to create sustainable options for my household for now and the future, concerning food waste, slow fashion, growing our own food, reducing plastic waste, setting up a compost, and reusing resources. Each week I'll focus on all of these key areas of the Nexus regeneration and report back on them. The overall arching goal is to clean the rubbish at Adelaide Street. This is a challenging goal, however the sustainable solutions will ensure it is a realistic and completed appropriately. The goal will be completed where my housemates and I begin disposing of the rubbish sustainably and use the sustainable options provided. This needs to be completed before the final video in 4 weeks, and also I would like to have the house in the best order for when we do change the lease. So I'll just show you a few of the areas right now. So we've got the rubbish bins, 6 of them, and they're just no lids, rubbish everywhere. Just got to have a little walk through. This is all from past tenants as well, so it's kind of accumulated and it's got very high out of hand. Rubbish here, all of this. I want to find a solution, sustainable way here, because last time I just got a skip bin and I felt like a lot of rubbish was going to places that didn't feel comfortable. We've already started plastic waste, 10 cent. That's probably the only thing that's looking good at the moment. Keep on walking through. There's all this wood here. I'd like to do something with that. It's Alex's that he left behind, and I think I can really get myself a project for my own, but also for maybe people in the future. Follow on through here. There is a start of a compost that I don't believe has been used for years back here. Just in there is a compost bin. I really want to get that up and going again, because I don't think anyone's touched it for years. And then the final area that I really want to sort out, which will be a bit of a task because it's just been like this for a long time, and I want to find some sustainable ways we can sort this out as a house, is here. There's all this rubbish through here, and I don't want to just chuck it in a skip. I want to actually find ways and organise a way with the house. And lucky last is an area I wanted to tackle for a while. It is all through here. It's got the good area here where we can start a veggie patch possibly and actually start growing our own produce. Awesome. Thank you.